cold.
Just maybe another foot.
Right. What's that?
Oop, we got that. Yeah, come on now.
What was the reason they call them Volvos, I guess?
So this is the ultimate.
Right. That's why I kept that other wiring there so that we could use the same connector, you see, and trim it to whatever we want,
Yeah.
if you know what I mean.
Yeah. Let's see, where is that? I just got it. There's a replacement distributor. I wanted this.
Pieces had broken off. It's kind of weird that should even break like that, but
Yeah.
evidently, if this happened to that fellow, and then it happened to this machine, then evidently there was a problem. But I just put the shield over there.
Okay.
And then what about the bolts for the distributor? Where are they?
Right here.
We'll put them in the tray too.
Yep.
Okay. Just put everything connected with it in the...
Everything that's associated with it, like the rotor and everything.
Okay. Get the rotor too. Where is the rotor? There's the rotor. Got her. And that rotor was stuck on like nobody's business too. I mean, look at the...
Yeah, I know.
Look at how the rotor is like,
Yeah.
how you had to pry it out.
Yeah, that's the. It's got the two mounting holes, and there's a clip that holds that. Oh, the clip that holds the magnet is right here. So this was supposed to be like. How the heck was it? This like this or something. It was supposed to be.
Well, the magnet's on one side of the
Yeah.
wheel of this, and the sensors on the other. And when
Right.
when this goes through, it breaks the
breaks that magnetic field.
yeah, it breaks
Yeah.
the field so that you got
Yeah.
like a.
Okay.
That's how you get the impulses with this, with it turning like that and breaking the field. But I don't know. This is stuck to
Well,
the bolt.
Yeah, but I mean, this is the whole thing. Oh, I see. Okay, so the
Oh, it goes in
yeah,
between
in
there.
between there, yeah.
In
So-
between, there's a
so
slot.
So this thing is really scotched because it should be Yeah, this thing is really
The
messed up.
Volkswagen uses the same thing too.
Yeah.
And I had two of them, and when I took one of the wheels off,
Yeah.
I bent it and I could never get it back. So the thing about that is to never don't bend this at all. That's
Oh,
why I
yeah,
didn't want to
'cause-
touch that.
Yeah. So this is broken, but it's supposed to sit clear out here.
Yeah, like that. And then you go.
and then this
The
thing
wheel
in
goes through
between it.
between.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah.
And is this a? Yeah, it's steel. Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway.
So it like breaks the magnetic. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Well.
So is that the cheapest? We should write down those part numbers and then do a search for.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, let me just do a little recap. Okay, so we've replaced the distributor, hooked up the wires again. Basically, our our distributor was bad, the Hall effect sensor. So now that we've replaced that, I said it was like a 95% chance it was going to fire up. Now the gasoline's bad, but let's see what happens.
You ready?
Yeah.
Sound like it's exhausted.
I don't think you have to. Well, it's working. Yeah, you don't have to pump it like a carburetor, I don't think. It should do it on its own if it was. Yeah, so where's the spark thing? Oh yeah. Okay, so we're pretty good here. Success. The Volvo guys. Now we can call ourselves the Volvo guys. This is where we should have been last time. So it's running anyway. That's
Yeah. It's idling kind of funny.
well, the stuff isn't hooked up. Remember the mass airflow sensor and all that stuff isn't hooked up yet.
Yeah.
So there's loose vacuum lines and all kind of stuff, but it's amazing.
It runs.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's how we do it. These are the old wires. Terrible. With that rotten contact that was no good. So now we got excellent new ones right here. So that's what we're gonna have. Let's see. Let's get out this way. Let's do that differently. Okay, we're going to replace the wiring that goes on this Volvo fuel pump because this is intermittent, and the individual strands on the wires are all broken in here, which was causing the fuel pump to turn on and off at random. So anyhow, we've got better connectors from genuine fuel pump replacement parts that I've kept. I always keep these because they're a special type for being immersed. Anyhow, that's how we're going to do it. And we'll desolder that with this. Okay, I'm going to tin these ends. Some solder. Get that all good and hot. Okay. The wide one is positive. Maybe a little bit too long. That's good. little bit, but that doesn't matter. Okay. Looks to me like this is good to go. This was made too tight with these clamps, so it cut right into the hose, and we'll just replace this. The completed pump. It's running, but I'm not sure what's happening with that squeaking. I need to get some adapter for the to test the fuel pressure, make sure it's okay. Just a little. Kind of missing that back piece, wherever that is. I don't know what's going on with that. There's also this little thing's gotta fix that up. There's a bolt broken off in there.